Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and take a look at what we just got in. This is an absolutely beautiful 2017 Yamaha AR 195, just under 38 original hours on it. I'm gonna take you through the boat, but it all starts at the exterior. Take a look at this beautiful styling, very nice casual graphics going down it. That black gel on the upper deck along with the bottom of the boat, black tower, black windshield, matching trailer. Work your way down the side of the boat. You're going to notice small things like the pull-out cleats, stainless steel rub rails, stainless steel bow rails. Beautiful clean bottom on this boat as well. You can tell it never sat in the water. Very good looking that way. Work your way around the front of the boat. One thing I love showing, look at how wide the Yamaha boats are, carried very far forward. Gives you a ton of room inside the boat. Work your way down the other side. You're going to notice the same pull-out stainless cleats. Very clean, very shiny boat on the exterior. Good looking graphics again. And we work our way to the back of the boat, and this is really where Yamaha kind of sets itself apart from the rest. That big, beautiful platform area, multi-tiered C-deck flooring, grab rails, an offset ladder there. You have cup holders, nice cushioned backrest, easy access to your jet cleanout port, ski tow eye back here. Just a beautiful area for entertaining and hanging out on the lake for a day on the water. As you step inside the boat, the volume kind of continues. You have so much seating for a 19-foot boat, truly giving you the seating of many 21-foot boats. Beautiful color combo in here with the whites and the grays, little darker colored piping, nice grab rails, cup holders throughout, lots of wraparound seating. Try to zoom in on the seats. You can see they're not ripped or tore. They're actually in very, very good shape. Look at that oversized helm seat with the flip up bolster. Love the different use of upholsteries and contrast and stitching there. Work our way to the helm. It's simplistic but very sharp. 3-spoke Yamaha wheel, tilt wheel on top of that. Your array of gauges up top. Easy to use operational switches, your cruise assist and your no wake mode, along with your horn, nav lights, and courtesy lights. And on the other side, you've got your bilge pump and your blower switches. Controls are very easy and accessible. Down underneath, you also have a couple of cup holders tucked out of the wind. Work your way over to the port side of the boat. You've also got a grab handle cup holder and a glove box. Work our way to the front of the boat. Before I get there, take a look at the carpeting in here. It is like brand new. The carpeting looks absolutely amazing in this boat. All right, back to the bow section. We talked earlier about how wide it is, very far forward, and you can kind of see it now, how big and how deep it is. You've got nice wraparound combings, you've got cup holders, speakers, contoured backrest as well, which are very nice, probably hard to notice in photo or video here, but a very big, nice wraparound bow section. And if you're looking for more room to lay out in the sun, it does have the filler cushion, truly making the bow into a large sun island. Just a great place to hang out and have fun. Talk a little bit about storage in the boat. Under all 3 of the front seats, you're going to find storage. That storage is accessible on the port side through the side access door. But look at this. Look at this in-floor locker held up with its own strut, all gasket sealed, channeled and drainable, compression fit lid. This is a beautifully fully finished locker in the center of this 195. That is a noteworthy feature on the Yamaha boats. And before I exit the interior of the boat, take a look at the motor compartment. Absolutely beautiful. It really looks like brand new. I understand there's only 38 or just shy of hours on this, but the Yamaha SVHO 250 horse motor absolutely glows. It's very, very nice, very clean, and just a very reliable power plant that performs at just an extremely high level. So that there concludes a quick video walk around of this 2017 Yamaha AR 195, a boat that certainly should not disappoint inside or out, mechanically or cosmetically. Again, I'm Zach at River Valley Marine here at in Red Wing, Minnesota, and we appreciate you taking the time to view our video.